Now we're going to learn two different types of queries. We're going to learn boolean queries and parameter queries. So we'll go back to design view. And we'll add our table to the query. There we go. And for boolean queries, we're going to learn how to do AND queries and OR queries. So let's go ahead and add our fields. And we'll begin with an AND query. So let's say we want to find books that have the author Smith and are on loan. So remember from the last video, to find if a book is on loan, we went down into criterion and had equals true. And to find an author, we're going to go over on the same line and enter Smith, I believe I said. When we run this, we find that one book by author Smith has been checked out. But let's say that we want to have books that are either by Smith or are checked out. To do this, we're going to use this OR row down here. We're going to remove Smith from this row and put it down here. This indicates that the book is either on loan or by the author Smith. And now we can see all the books that are on loan and then the book by Smith. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that, and now we're going to do parameter queries. Parameter queries are useful for users. We don't necessarily want them to have access to this view. It's not very attractive and they might not know how to use it. So we want to make things a little bit simpler by using a parameter query. Let's say we want to ask the user what book they want by asking which author, so they can search by author. We're going to go into this criterion row and we're going to use a colon. Colon is the symbol for parameter query. And we'll type in enter author name. When we run this query, we get a dialog box that prompts the user to enter the author name. So when the user enters Smith, the user can see all the books that are by the author Smith. Similarly, we can do that with the title. I'll go ahead and get rid of this. So we can say enter title. And then the user is prompted to enter the title of the book that they want to find. Let's try book. And they can see that book is by author Jones and that it is available because it is not on loan.